You might want to design a random sampling technique for which you source USA zip codes through Internet search engine. Zip codes worksheet provides you 74,022 zip codes of all states in USA. As you know, zip codes in USA have 5 digits. Before drawing random sample for the list of zip codes, first you need to check whether all zip codes are entered correctly. Individually checking 74,000 zip codes is difficult and time consuming. Using Excel length function, you can weed out wrong zip codes. Name cell E1 as len, that is a short form of a length, and in cell E2 enter Excel function equals to len, L-E-N, and select cell A2, click enter. Cell E2 now depicts length of a zip code. Fill this function to all the zip codes. Next, place cursor on any cell in a table. Click Data tab on menu bar. Click Sort icon. Sort dialog box is displayed. As your data has header row, select My data has headers. Then, click down arrow on Sort field. From drop-down list, select Zip code. To perform sort in descending order, select Order largest to smallest and click OK. Observe the zip codes. Few of those are incorrect. Remove all wrong entries. To sort the list according to state name, click Data tab and click Sort icon. In Sort by List, select State. In order, select A to Z. Click OK. Data is now sorted by state. If you want to sort zip codes in ascending order within each state, you can add another level in sort options. Click the sort button. Then click Add level. Second level is added. From Then by, select zip code. In order list, select smallest to largest. Click OK. The list is sorted by state and zip codes in ascending order. If you are interested to view data of a particular state, add filters to data. Place cursor on any cell in the data table. Click Data tab and click Filter button. Filters, that is, down arrows are automatically added to header fields. Click List arrow on state. From drop-down list, uncheck Select All and check any state or states those you want to shortlist. Click OK. Now, table lists data of only selected state or states. To further shortlist data, you can add filter to city to know zip codes in that city.